How to change Facebook name font style. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can create a stylish name on your Facebook. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First, you can head over to your Facebook, go to your profile and find your name. So here, this is my name right here. So let's go back, open up your Safari and simply search for stylish fonts. After you search for that, there you'll find a lot of different uh, you know websites. You can head over to any one. After you're there, you'll see the generate stylish font option. Tap on that. Now you can paste or type in your name. So let me do that. And after doing that, there you will find different fonts available on the bottom. So tap on done and there you can see. Now you can copy whichever font you want. Come back to your Facebook and then go to the menu option here. Then go to your settings on the top right. Then you'll need to head over to your Meta Accounts Center. Then after you're here, tap on your profiles. Then tap on your name, that is your Facebook option. Then keep on doing that until you find the name option here. Again, paste whatever you copied before. So let me do that. So let me paste this. And let me get that and paste that here. And for finally, let me cut that and paste that here. Doing that, you can tap on done. After that, tap on done and change your font style of your Facebook. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye. Take care.